wobble. Howdy and welcome back to London Creative Out and About on the Climbing Moss Heart of London walk, High Barnet to Cockfosters. We have a dog on a lead. She will go back into the rucksack and she will lean sideways dramatically, and then she'll really hurt Tora's back and she'll be a pest. We need to look out for squirrels. We haven't seen any. And other things. Let's see what we find. First thing, coffee. This is why this is called High Barnet. Everything's on a hill. What have we found? We've found mud. Just today, we found shallow stairs. That way.
That way?
Yeah, I guess so.
Right.
Starters, we mean to go on.
No, stop it!
This is like 5 minutes into the walk.
Stop it! You're thinking. I'm thinking. Stop.
She's got to go in a rucksack in a minute with those feet. And we haven't gone it. We've gone like 5 minutes and we're in the wrong park at the moment because we went to get coffee.
I didn't actually expect. Hello, thank you for finding me. Yay!
Tora rescued a moth. All the way trying to climb across the stream down there. She had a moth. What do you want? The coffee or do you want the coffee?
Yes.
My turn. This thing is already been an absolute pest. Like, Tora screamed at her 10 times. I mean, actually screamed, for fuck's sake, stop. She would just need to stop pulling. When she's on her own and she walks ahead, but not pulling. Slowly, go. Look, that's what it is. Big bird. Big bird. We found a big bird. Yeah. Coffee shop, review, Moxham Street. The guy in there was an idiot. This guy serving. The girl was nice and chatty and so forth. But the guy making the coffee had absolutely no clue. He was a total idiot. We are now on top of this hill. That's an aeroplane. Tora saw a buzzard or an eagle or a kite or something, and trying to get away from the mud to get the bag out, it flew away, and then her coffee fell over, and so she's grumpy.
Coffee fell over because you let it fall over.
I didn't let it fall over.
Yeah.
And this thing is being such a pest. We've let her run around and she's just trying to find as much mud as possible. And a stick.
So stop.
Could you stop being a pest? That was quicker. She actually got in the rucksack. Well, she didn't. She relented. She realised it was inevitable. But now she's in. Oh look, mud. This is not going well. Oh, look at that. Oh, it gets better. Just walk.
Ice skating.
Just, yes, and like ice skating, you just have to walk firm, not pedal like a... That doesn't work.
The train shuttle things.
Oh, she got hit by the barrier coming out of High Barnet station. Her jacket's got ripped. She's got the eagle on the top of the hill, got the camera out and it flew away. Anything else so far? Muddy. It's really muddy compared to last time. It's like double the mud and it's pouring down the rain. We did do this morning going, do we really go? And yeah, we really should go.
You're going to hit your head on it. Really hungry.
And we're going up Norfolk Road, up some stairs and a steep hill. It's not muddy, but we're going up here. One of the requirements of the climbing Mast Heart of London walk. Allotments. Rather small allotments, but still. Allotments. On Hadley Common. We could have come from over there to come up here, but it was so muddy we detoured to get to some tarmac. We may have not gone very far so far, but that's where we walked from, that church. That's a pig.
Live a little, flip the page, give it some more, getting out of my way. I was hiding, bulletproof, forever waiting. Thought I was what I told.
Do you live there?
Yes, you do.
Thought I
We're still kind of following the London Loop.
told, I thought I was. I was picking up the pieces.
It's free. Come on, this way, pest.
In over my head, trying to figure out. I was going through changes, where to begin, when a mountain moving revelation came marching in.
I fell over. I fell in the bog. Oi! Oi!
Hey, stop pulling.
Stop being a pest. Stop pulling. You can't stand up. You're falling over. We found the stream or the river or the brook or whatever it is, and it's this. And we're going to jump across it.
There's a bridge.
There's a bridge.
You have this in an absolute test. You could win that. But you're a pest. Were you born a pest or did you make one?
No, you were born a pest. For some reason, there is a shovel. Doesn't bode well. Let's just hope that's a Great Dane. New development. Tora's camera's run out of battery. Fully charged this morning, somehow it's been drained of power.
Hey, a fault. I'm on a fault.
Tora's found a fault. Yay. When we found a fault last week, she didn't believe me.
Which way are we going?
Forward.
Always forward.
Forward,
Wait,
always
wait.
forward. I think you got a choice.
Can we get on the train now?
quickly. Don't wait for it to sink. Alright. And it's full-blown raining! Yay! We're about halfway through and it's 5 o'clock. They're the most random shallow stairs, they don't actually do anything. London Loop goes down here and we're following it because it's dry. Well, it's concrete. The concrete, this bit is dry, this concretey bit is dry. Down there is probably going to be boggy and muddy, and it doesn't really matter at this point because I thought that was a ferret thing. I thought it was just stuck, or just like, you know, a weasel, ferret, whatever. There's a bog. There's a proper bog now.
Grimley's Brook?
Pims Brook. Cockfosters. Found squirrels, they're not sociable. And there's a bird. When it comes to a stream, the river, shall we play poo sticks? Ready, steady, go. Honk. This is a proper flowing river, and we have a winner of...
Whoever had the longer one?
Me! I'm doing well. That's 3 in a row. Yours hasn't come out.
Cool.
Kind of says it all, really. We've just walked half this route in 10 minutes, and it's taken us 5 hours to walk the first half.
That's because we had further off the route. Sorry, out of the rucksack.
Out of the rucksack, solo makes us take 5 hours. In the rucksack, she's a pest that hangs sideways. But we managed to walk like all of it in 10 minutes. That's Jack's Lake. We can't be bothered to go to it because it's completely surrounded by mud. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was. It's a sorting hat.
There you go, Harry Potter or something.
Yeah, Tora with a Harry Potter reference. My God. She must be tired. The London Loop carries on up there. We've had enough of it. We're going to the road. Games Road. This is like only the second time we've ever chosen tarmac over mud. We've had enough. That's not bad, is it? Say it with us, after 3. 1, 2, 3. This thing is a pest. This thing has caused a nightmare all day long because that was a 3-mile walk. We started at 1 o'clock, it's now nearly 6 o'clock. Granted, mud and dirt and falling over and things, and I don't know how dirty I am. It's just like, Tora ripped a coat, she missed every photo possible. I've fallen over, Tora's aching. But most of all, the biggest problem, this thing. Because she will not stay in the rucksack no matter how much she wants. She wants to get out. Even though she can't walk and she's really tired and she just wants to lay on the floor.
But she's adorable.
When she's not in a rucksack or in a harness. Indoors,
She's still adorable.
indoors she's still adorable. Outdoors,
Outdoors, she's still adorable.
there's footage of her screaming.
Yeah, there might very well be footage of me screaming. She's still adorable.
No, that does. Anyway, if this was entertaining, and even if it wasn't, give us a thumbs up. So if you've got to this and you've got here and you haven't seen, give us a thumbs up so you see the algorithm knows that you watched it. Leave us a comment. Please explain some way to keep this dog upright or something to help. We've tried everything. And if you're not already and you want to see the rest of the... subscribe. If you haven't seen all of these videos, do go and see the playlist that's up there. and watch them all. See you soon. Bye. Coffee rating?
2.5.
2.5, yeah. It's Barnet Football Club. New Barnet Football Club. Today we'll get attacked by an eagle. We haven't filmed much because basically we just walked along this. Mud.
Fields, rot, nasty weather.